Hello friends, my name is Chetan Nathani and this is part second of programming central video series about D3JS pie charts. So in part first we learned how to create a simple pie chart with the help of D3JS. So in part first we created this pie chart which you are seeing on your screen. As you can see, this is a simple pie chart and it don't have any events. However, this pie chart is binded with data. Now in this part, in part second, we will bind this chart with some simple events. Like first event will be hover event. If we will hover our mouse into any of the arc, it will pop out. And second event we will include is click event. If we click any of the legends, related arc will pop out and opacity of related arc will change. If you haven't watched part first of the video series, please watch part first before proceeding to part second. If you are new to D3JS, then please watch our video related to D3JS introduction. You can go to our channel and you can see list of videos and you can search D3JS getting started, from which you can learn basics of D3JS. So let's proceed to this video. So this is code for first part, that is first video of this series, output of which you are looking at your screens, this one. And as in part first, we will be sharing the location of the code. We will be sharing our code to a location and we'll be sharing location of the code at the end of the video. So now, first thing is we have to bind a hover event into our chart. So my requirement is if I hover into any of the arc, it should pop out. So here you can see this is our arc. It has outer radius as radius and radius is a variable and it has inner radius as radius minus 200. So this one is outer radius. You can see this one, and this one, this white space you are seeing, this one is inner radius. So if I need pop out event, so in case of pop out, both of my radius should increase, that is outer radius should increase and inner radius should increase. So first of all, I need a new chart event, new arc event which have required radius and which will be shown in at the time of hover event. So here is my new arc over, and as you can see I have to increase this radius by some points, some units. So I'll increase by 5 units, and this is inner radius is radius minus 200. I have to increase inner radius also, so I will increase inner radius also by some points, same as outer radius. So 200 is, it will be minus 195. So as you can see I have increased inner radius and outer radius also, and now I have to implement that hover event. So after declaring path, I can write my hover event here. So you can see at mount center my stroke will be white and I'll transition within 200 milliseconds, and my new arc over property will be arc over, which I have defined here. And at the mouse leave, this arc over will revert back to arc, right? So let's refresh our chart and see what happens. So here you can see you can have a pop out effect, right? Now if you want to have a more significant pop out effect, I mean more pop out with more radius, so you can change your arc over and you can do so easily. So for example I'll change it to 20 and I'll decrease this one by 20. So initial was radius minus 200, so it will be radius minus 180 because I'm increasing the radius. Let's refresh it. So you can see you will have a greater pop out, I mean a more significant pop out. Now second thing I want is if I click this legend, my arcs should pop out and its opacity should increase, I mean decrease. So I will write that event also. So I will search for the legend and I will bind it with click event. This is my click event for the legend. Simply I appended it after the definition of legend, that is on click. And here you can see arc is changed to arc over, which have a greater radius, inner and outer radius, and opacity is changed to 0.3, stroke is changed to white, and we have a set timeout function which reverts it into its original form, that is changed arc to arc and then opacity to the opacity defined in settings. So let's refresh our chart and see what happens. So here you can see chart pops out and opacity is changed. So like this you can bind other events also if you want, depending on your requirement. So that's all for this video, and in our next video we'll be looking into drill down feature of this pie chart. That is, if you click any of the arc, it will drill down the data of that particular arc into next level. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you like content of this video, please hit like button. If you have any queries, suggestion, questions, please leave a comment and we'll reply to each and every comment. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye, see you and cheers.